In this industry, grit is a must, because to make it out here requires focus, consistency, determination, and teamwork. SPM knows the pressure you face in the field. Our service centers are equipped to handle everything from pump maintenance and repair to field service and training, so that you can focus on what really matters, maximizing uptime.
A common issue that we see out here is that a customer or another vendor would have to go to multiple stops.
A lot of competitors can't machine in the same spot that they service, so they send it out to another machine shop or they third party it out, and then it has to come back to the repair center to get reassembled. It'll all be in-house so that there's no transit back and forth.
SPM, we are a one-stop shop.
SPM is unique in that we are an OEM. We can provide deep expertise in our products and full life cycle support.
We offer complete teardown, inspection, and repair of your SPM equipment. Our OEM trained technicians can support you from the pump to the wellhead because they've built it, worked it, and kept it running. In other words, you get the peace of mind of knowing that the job will be done right.
Across the board, everything pump teardown, pump rebuild, fluid end swaps, anything that our customers require.
We're building trust with customers by being reliable, being flexible, willing to adjust to what their needs are and help them with their efficiencies.
We built it, we maintain it best. Nobody cares more about your pump than we do. We're on call and available 24/7. Someone's always available, we always get an answer, always get a solution for our customers.
Backed by a global leader in the industry, SPM is a provider you can trust to deliver seamless service and consistency anywhere in the world. You know us. We live, work, and build relationships in the same communities.
A lot of times customers come in for a coffee and just chat and hang out and do all that kind of fun stuff.
SPM is one of the only providers to offer this level of integration and reliability.
We help customers avoid downtime by showing up on time and being efficient when we're on site, making sure that everything's done correctly and we don't have to do it twice. We know what it takes to do the work and we're proud to be a part of it.
So whether it's emergency repairs or regular maintenance, in the shop or shoulder to shoulder on your site, our service experts are always around and always ready to support your operation. Give us a call or visit a location to work with our team today. SPM, together we get it done.